right, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new wig, a wig that I've actually never worn before, and it is from Asteria Hair. So yeah, let me just get right into this quick tutorial. So here's the wig, you guys. This is their new silk top, silk base, whatever you want to call it, wig. It is 22 inches long, 180% density, and it is a straight wig. So this here at the top is the silk base frontal, and then of course it comes with 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back with an adjustable strap. So what I'm showing you right here is the silk base, which is meant to look like hair growing straight from your scalp. So if you see where I'm pointing right here, this is going to be the normal like frontal wig where you may want to bleach the knots, and then right up close you see how there are no knots, there is no nothing. You do not have to worry about bleaching knots with this wig except for right in the front, which is a really awesome aspect of it. Here I'm just going to pluck a little bit of the hairline. It could definitely use a little bit of plucking, but it wasn't too bad. It probably took me maybe 10 minutes to pluck this entire frontal, which is not too bad. I'm not the best when it comes to doing a natural hairline, but I know how to thin it out a bit, and that is exactly what I was going for right here. So lately I have been addicted to adding like tons of setting lotion to my wigs because it just makes things so much easier, and I wish I had known this before. I wish someone had told me. So I do this to of course make the hair lay flatter from the roots and go in the direction that I am choosing for it to go. And also for the baby hair, if I'm adding any baby hair, I was finding it very hard to like do baby hair while the wig was on my head, and so doing it this way and just allowing it to set going down just ensures that whenever I do go to, you know, style the edges or whatever, they're going in the right direction and it's not going to give me such a hard time. So yeah, so here I'm going in with my hot comb, and I've said this a billion times and I'm gonna keep saying it. If you are a wig wearer and you do not have a electric hot comb, you definitely need one in your life. It makes the biggest difference. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm applying this wig today. I didn't go anywhere like I thought I was, so I was just going to, I'm just going to apply the glue and the free spray right at the top of my hair where my part is, versus doing it like throughout my entire hairline. So you will see the lace on the sides by like the ears, the ear tabs or whatever come up and whatever else. But I just wanted to let you guys know why I did it this way versus just gluing it all down. Even though it would have all glued down perfectly seamlessly with no problem, I just didn't feel like it was completely necessary since I was gonna be in the house. So I am going to be quiet and let you guys finish watching the rest of this video. Just stay tuned for a little bit to hear my final thoughts and all that great stuff about this wig. And yeah, don't go anywhere. Alright, hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So just gonna give you guys a quick rundown, my thoughts and all that good stuff about this wig that I'm wearing. So this wig is from Asteria Hair. They actually have a new wig out, and I think I'm very excited about it. But yeah, before I get all excited, let me go ahead and tell you guys exactly what I'm wearing. So I'm wearing one of their new silk base frontal wigs. So the wig that I have on is 22 inches long. It's 180% density, and it's in a size large. So the thing about this wig, the big thing about it is that it's a silk base wig. So pretty much you only get maybe a half an inch of like regular frontal. I don't even know what like to call it, but that's pretty much what you would have to like bleach your knots. It may even be a little less than a half an inch. It's pretty much like right here, and then the rest of this right here is like it's like a natural scalp. I think they nailed that. I would give it a 10, but I'm gonna give it a 9.5 at this point. My only thing about that is maybe Asteria might do something with it and run with it. Maybe another company, who knows, maybe it's already out there. But the thing is, the scalp, it's a little too light, and it'll definitely blend much better, of course, during the cooler months, the winter time. It's probably not even like that noticeable. It might just be me. You can also wear this wig glueless, so you don't have to apply any kind of adhesive to this wig. However, like I said, it's hot. It's hot here in Houston, so I can't do it. I'm not even gonna take the chance of my son, who is 3, trying to snatch my wig falling off because of the sweat and the heat and stuff. So I just gotta apply some type of adhesive, some glue or whatever, and I feel so much better doing so. I always wear a size large with their wigs, and this one fits perfectly. It's nice and snug. Doesn't feel like it's gonna come off or anything like that, but it's not too tight. Other than that, Asteria always comes with really great hair. You know, they're one of my favorite companies to work with. The hair is beautiful. As of now, no tangles, no shedding. As always, I never have to worry about that with Asteria. Anyways, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or anything like that, please put them down below. You know what to do. And yeah, I will talk. I'm messing around with everything. And yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.